Hello everyone and welcome to my new video of how to make your own Discord bot in Python. So let's get started. So guys, in today's video we'll be making a poll command. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. So guys, in the previous video I made some moderation commands, so I forgot to mention one thing. You can even send the embed to the members so that he or she is notified whether for what reason she is kicked out from a specific server. So you can just say await my member dot send, and I'm going to say my embed is equal to my embed. You can obviously set it something like you have been kicked out from so and so server. It's according to you, so I just didn't mention it because I don't really use it, because there might be a chance that the member has blocked DMs, so it will just throw an error. But since it is in try except statement, it won't make a difference. So let's start with today's video. So I'm going to say commands.command for my poll command, and I'm going to say async def my poll, and in the poll I'm just going to pass myself ctx. Now the first parameter will be my choice one. So choice one is something like, let's say we are asking the question what is your favorite color, then there will be two choices, so we can provide choice one, choice two, and even more. It's according to you. So for choice one, and I can say choice two, like I'm gonna make a poll of just two choices, and third will be my multi-liner parameter, which will be my what is the basically topic. Like my topic was what is your favorite color, so we'll have to write that afterwards. Now I'll just create an embed, so I'm going to say my embed is equal to my discord dot embed, and I'm going to say my title is equal to my topic. So whatever my topic is will be my title, and my description would be equal to my it will be an if string, and it will just show firstly the one emote. So this is just the Discord will render it as an emote of one. So I'll say one, and I'll just pass my choice one, obviously in f strings. So yeah, now it will show a variable. Now I'll just give two liner space, and I'll say 2, and for the 2 I'll just pass my choice 2. Okay, so our description is ready. Now we'll give it a color. So I'm gonna set the color as my ctx.author.color. So it will just show the color which is inherited by the the member's top role. So yeah, so I'm just showing that there is also availability of such function. You can do it maybe, and I'm gonna set a timestamp. So I'm gonna say timestamp is equal to datetime.utc now, and make sure to provide the parentheses. I know I say it every time, and it is obviously required. Now a like goal of this video is maybe 10 likes, and I'd be obliged if you do so. So yeah, advance thank you. Now I'm gonna set a footer. So I'm gonna say set you can set an author as well. I'm gonna set a footer, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna pass my text is equal to my poll by my ctx.author.name. Okay, so now I've got my footer. Now I'm gonna set the thumbnail. So I'm gonna say set thumbnail, and I'll pass my URL. URL will be my author.avatar URL. So I've got my thumbnail as well. Now what I need to do is I need to send this to my ctx. So I'm gonna store it in a variable. So I'm gonna say message is equal to my await ctx.send my embed is equal to my embed. Okay, I misspelled embed here. Now I've got my message. So what I can do is I can just now say my message dot add reaction, and I'll have to pass my emote. You can just search Google, and I'll search for Unicode. Okay, Unicode emote 1. So I got keycap digit 1. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here in obviously strings. So I've got my first reaction. I'll just copy it again, paste it, and I'll search for 2. I'm gonna say keycap digit 2. Okay, I've got this. I will copy it and paste it right here. So I've just added the reaction through the bot. Now what I'll do is I'll just sleep the bot for a while. So I'm gonna import async IO. I've already imported it. You should be doing the same. I'll just remove it. And obviously you need to pip install it if you haven't done it yet. So I'm going to say await async io.sleep. So what is the difference between async io.sleep and time.sleep? So basically time.sleep sleeps the program permanently, while async io keeps the background processes running. Now we have sent the message, we will sleep the bot for a while. So I'll just sleep him for maybe like 5 seconds because I'm totally restless. Obviously it's a poll, so you need to sleep the bot for maybe like 3600 seconds, which is like 1 hour, and maybe 86,400 seconds for maybe like a day. So I'm just doing it for 5 seconds for the sake of simplicity and for testing, obviously. Now I'll have to fetch the message again because I need to know the reactions and basically who all have reacted with what all messages. So what I'll say is I'll just say my new message. A new message is equal to await my ctx.fetch message, and I'll just pass my message.id. So this was my old message, and I'm gonna just pass my message.id, and I'm gonna fetch it again. So I'm gonna say my my one choice. So this will be my first choice. So I was just out of names for my variable. So I'm gonna say await my new message dot reactions, and I'll have to pass first index, which will be 0, and I'll say users, and I'll just flatten it, and I'll pass parentheses, obviously. Copy it, paste it, and I'll just name it second choice. So this will be my second choice. I'll just change it to 1. Now I've got my the people who have voted with what all reactions. So what I can do is I can just create one embed now, or basically before creating an embed we need to know like which poll have got more votes or more people signing it with it. So I'm going to say result. My result is equal to like tie. So by default it will be tie. So I'm going to say if my length of my one choice is more than my length of a second choice, then it means that result is citing the choice 1. So I'm going to say choice 1. If my length of my second choice is more than my length of one choice, then obviously I'm going to set the result as my choice 2. And for the else the result will stay as tie. Now we have got the result. Now I'll just create an embed. I'll just copy it, obviously. So I'll just copy this stuff and footer as well. So I'll have to change something. So I'll just pass my both of the options we had. Like I had choice 1 and my choice 2. Okay, I need to remove this extra one. So this was my choice 1, choice 2, and I'm gonna separate them with these stand liners, whatever we say them, and I'm gonna just show the result. So I'm gonna say my result is equal to my result. Result was my variable, okay, and I'm gonna capitalize that. So we have got the result. Now we'll just edit the embed. So I'm gonna say my await my new message, a new message dot edit, and I'm gonna set my embed to my embed, which was the new embed we made. Now it should be pretty much working. Let's test it out. So I'm gonna run my bot. The bot is running now. What I can say is I can just say poll, and I'll just pass my first color, which is blue, maybe next will be red, and what is your favorite color. So it says what is your favorite color. We got an error. So okay, so I forgot to await it. So I just need to say my await message.add reaction. So I just need to await it, and I guess rest everything is pretty much fine. So yeah, let's try running it again. It's adding the reaction. So I'm gonna side with blue for now, and the timeout should be of 5 seconds, and it says result blue. So it says the timestamp, the options we had, the result is blue because I was the only one who voted. Yeah, so it's working and it's awesome. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, subscribe and share for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.